Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be filming about my slime. Here we go. So let's start. So let me see. Okay, we open it from here. So I'm going to. Oh, okay. So I did it. So we did it. Okay. So yeah. We did that. This is going to turn out very nice. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Dad! I need help. Mommy, I need help. I want to take clay out of this. Can you take the clay out? Thanks. Okay guys, so this is turning out pretty well. So now we just have to open the clay. So this is the clay. I don't know how to open it. So we're gonna have to try to open it. So yeah. I think I opened it. Yeah, I opened it. So it's gonna be exciting. I'm putting this onto the slime. I'm very excited. So, yeah. Oh my god, this looks so good. I wish you guys were here right now. This would have been amazing. And you guys can one day be in my video, so yeah. So yeah. So yeah, this looks so good. Like, it smells a bit bad though, so yeah. So guys, this is so cool. So since we did that, now this is what it looks like, and oh my god, this is so cool. Look, like. So I'm going to mix this in, and I'll see you in a jiffy. So, yeah. Oh my god, this is so good. It looks so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Mommy, می‌بری یه بشقاب بیاری؟ Şuradan yapıyorum. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Oh my god, guys. I just love this texture. It's amazing. Okay, guys. This looks so cool. Oh my god. Put this right there. And put this in the store. Oh my god, this is crazy. This looks so cool. Like it's like a very cool mixture of light pink. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this. But honestly, it would be a good slime for Barbie. So if the creator of Barbie is out there, you should make a slime of this for Barbie and have a charm of Barbie in it. Because this is so cool. Oh my god, this is so good. The mixture of this is amazing. Oh my god, this is so good. I love this mixture with slime. It's so good. I didn't make it, but I plan to make slime one day. But this is so cool. It's like a miracle. Oh my god, guys. This is so cool. And this is amazing. That's just not my problem. Probably not my problem. That's just not my problem. Probably not my problem. That's just not my problem. Amazing slime. Like, I love it. Like, the mixture is amazing. I love this slime. It's super cute and it has a good mix of slime in it. So that's why I love it. And I actually had this one last year, but when I went to the airport, my mom brought it. So then, yeah, one of the workers put it in the bin. So, but now I got this. so cute, and it's pink. A lot of pink. Pink is not only for girls. Everyone can use the color pink. Oh my gosh. This is not a fail. It was completed. Now I can't close it. Mommy, can you help me close this?
John,
Can you help me?
you can bilemiyorum.
But I need help now. I need help with closing this. I don't know how to. See? It won't close. See?
منم بستم درست بسته نشد ماما.
Huh?
من ترای کردم یکم آره درست شد.
So, can you put these in different So this is how the slime turned out. It's really cute. It's like butter. And people under 3 months old or people under 3 can't use it. So 3-year-olds can't use this, or
Do you know
people
why?
under 3. Why? They could eat it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All right.
If you have any, oh my god, if you have any siblings, don't let them use your Elmer's glue. So bye guys, that's all the time we had for today. Smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye.